another type of cassava flakes which can be enjoyed with either groundnut or your coconut, depending on your choice at the moment. Myself, I prefer to eat it with some peanuts, which you can also call groundnut. So guys, you're welcome to my channel today, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this pataka or tapioca in English from scratch. So the first thing you have to do is to get your cassava, peel it properly, removing all kind of flesh and skin. Then you properly wash and boil it till it's tender. Once you notice your cassava is properly cooked, you go ahead and strain the water. I added cold water because I really want to do it so fast, else you can allow it to cool off to the point you can handle before you proceed to slicing them into smaller pieces. Here I was done removing the water and allowed it to cool off as I showed earlier. Now you go ahead and start slicing according to the shape you may want, but please do well to remove this inner skin, or some people say it's bone. I really don't know what it's called in English or in agricultural term. Okay, remember I'm not a food nutritionist. I'm just that people like to show you what I do in my kitchen, that you may learn more. So sit tight, let's proceed to slicing them in bits. Please, while slicing, make sure they are as flat as possible. That is to enable you wash and remove all the accumulated starch before consuming. At this point, I was done slicing all of the cassava. I will go ahead and start washing. Please do not squeeze it while washing. Do not squeeze it. But you also have to allow it in the water for say 2 to 3 hours. That's for it to properly soak, and also enable you wash it well while removing the accumulated starch. And that is the way you can reduce the carbohydrate content, if I may say, from meat. And it will also remove the sour taste. So you have to properly wash until the water turns very clean. Washing it also helps to remove the slimy nature, because once you are done slicing this cassava, notice that it will turn slimy, it will become slimy. So you go ahead and wash the slimy nature is all washed off. But please, you don't add alum or vinegar or lemon or whatever. No, you just keep washing until the water turns very clear. So guys, at this point I think I was done washing, and I will just allow it in the water. If you don't have refrigerator, the other way to preserve this is to allow it sit in the water. So whenever you want to take, just take it from the water and then replace the water. Once you take and allow it to be there without changing the water even overnight, trust me, it's going to sour and you won't like it again. No matter how you wash it, it will still have that sour taste. So it doesn't make sense taking it from water and not replacing it. Okay, please take note, because this has spoiled so many people's tapioca in the past. This tapioca can also be used as abacha. Yes, some people can make it in abacha way. All right, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video, guys. You can enjoy this with your coconut or granite, just as I did right away. Thank you, and see you all. Mwah.